So this is the broad beans that I germinated, and you see the roots has coming out because the roots is tap roots, so it need protection. So better way to transplant is using the peat pot, like Jiffy pots. This is 4 inches. Today I'm going to put this into the Jiffy pots to show you how it works. So the pot, like the cardboard, pretty strong, and the roots can go through no problems. This is the pot mist, and I put some sand inside. And then put some water. The first time I just make sure that water is enough. And now I see the bottom is wet, and then I'm going to place one broad bean inside. All right. So this pot is pretty big. It's good for the bigger plants like this. I think this is very easy to use. And when it's sprouting, coming out, you can just put this one into the soil right away. You don't need to take off the cup because you don't want to damage the root. And then I'm going to keep working on other pots. They totally got 6. Alright, now they are done, very easy to use. I'm pretty happy with this cup, and hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.